Yeah, man, if you're that subscriber, they don't know, say a tax when they represent for the brand new movie, True Colors, Part 1. You see me, I say, stay tuned, epic, like it up.
I work me, I go, your time late for me. I work me, I go. You can't, you stop the place right, so you don't make go no further.
As soon as the contract up and running day, I tell us say money go the way you can work on the place.
I like contract, man, I tell you already.
Everything go good, man. I mean, no say you're a lucky girl, you know. I mean, a lucky youth. Everything go alright.
Obviously, I'm draw luck to you, you know. I mean, I'm lucky charm, you know.
I can't do without
a lucky charm, I call myself. If I don't mean nothing happen for you.
Yo, cash shopper.
Walk one.
No answer, no answer. You have to answer me, no
Forward now.
So see up on the walk me I go, but me I can't give you a link still.
We can't tell you if you walk, you go pan too. Tell you if you walk, you go pan too. Make him go on in real. You can't tell him man one line, so you go stop make him go on, you have to tell him too, so you just say, he say too.
Virgin, I build up the place decent, man. Link him up top.
I might look a bit of money, I try to make this work, you know.
Follow.
Me a go work, me a go work. No call me name to him, you know.
Come up, man.
Later, bye.
Take care, be careful.
You can't give me no lunch money?
Why I'm go line up something for you, man. Man.
It's alright.
Follow,
If you go road, go beg you.
Now work, you go follow.
Later, you later.
Easy, you know.
Alright.
So tell me
Why
now,
go, my father?
Why I see the deal with situation? Boy, place I build up nice, the whole
Nice,
thing.
man. I tell you, boy, things are going, you know, but what I want right now, the money for the come in, the money not come in, or the money for the come in.
Well, brother, then I don't know where go, man. I hurt me, I go, you know, but you know, for me hustling go already, you know. But see a car, I fix, you know.
That's struggle.
You see me?
Right now, if nothing not going on my side,
Boy,
I'm contract me the wait pan down west there, I'm not hear nothing funny from where I make some call.
So you know, try a different thing, brother. Cause right you know, come in a mechanic world with me, brother, make you see if you can make a food.
Well, I don't even know nothing about mechanic. I think I could manage mechanic right now.
Brother, what do you man in the amount of time I down there and car and want some help, brother?
Could have come, yeah, strength still, you know.
Yeah, man, I could have come, brother.
I try that one at time.
So why you do it different?
Go just cook some food and all the vibes today, you see me?
See?
Yeah. Alright, so you could have left a thing with me.
Yo, brother, what me tell you, say, me give you a thing still enough, but from last week, me I work on the car, me drop out the transmission and everything, brother.
Wow.
And me I tell you, brother, yo, just see what this can do still enough, cause me not collect no food or fight it.
And all I think about this, I'm going to come get a day down there and get a strength, you know.
Brother, engine them, yo, you don't even know, brother. Me drop one truck engine with you, brother. Yo, poor me tell you. Yo,
food.
never 2 hours to show you.
Yeah.
And food run.
Big up yourself, yeah.
What do you, man? Look, come on, here.
Big up my father. This can go and buy something for the food, look, come on. Yeah, man. Buy a piece of chicken or something. Piece of chicken. Yeah. You know, so I'm going to give my strength still when I do them.
I'm going to look on the car before the money come out. Engine problem. Let me not see. But no, me not see a mechanic from morning. Man should have been done with that car from yesterday, you know, man. Because I'm not come in car today, you know. I know. I wonder where mechanic them, man. But yesterday, man, say I work on the man car, you know. Thing alright, so. Hey.
I did, bossy.
Man, me there, you know, say I care, me there look pan car.
What do
man,
you?
tell me say I come feed from yesterday, you know. I should have went done with it, you know.
I'm paying car, then the good car me I work on.
Yeah, but you may say a little engine problem, I mean, not see you, so me I say, boy, when you want, when you come get the car deal with car, man, soon come feed by now.
I'm not there, man.
Alright, no problem.
Change off and get to work, you know, cause you know I go already.
Yeah, man, that's so you go. Get yourself together and make sure you sort out, cause you don't want to lose a little piece of food there, you know. John, no. Everything good in the car.
What man I deal with?
In good, man. That's the car you want to get through, you know. You see me? Yeah, I make sure I say everything good up there, you see it? I can't afford to lose a piece of food there, you know, man. And when me I wait for a little piece of food there, you know, so you can name my food, you know. You see me?
Thing good, man.
Alright, man.
You see, I want to go 1 3 left for the thing to deal with, man. I tell you already, man. Me do most of the work already, brother.
So,
what time you say, man, I come in?
You know, say, boy, he ain't giving us specific time, you know. But him say, I come here today for the machine. You see me?
Yo, brother, I just sound liquor thing left,
So,
brother.
I like everything good.
Hold on, man. Let me tell you, say everything good, brother.
I don't want to hear everything good, because them man is a problem, man. I don't want to hear everything
And
good.
there when me work on everything, brother.
Alright. Do I
Call
have
him, man, brother. Cause see it there, me put on battery terminal, everything good, so.
Are you know?
Hold on.
Are you to do what's right? You see it?
I'll lick up part, maybe. I just two little bolt me have if you deal with this, man.
That look good so far to me.
Yeah, man, deal with that part. We're not going on rocky steer. Just rocky steering liquor.
Oh, for going.
Rocky steering. Yeah, man, that good, man. I check the oil, battery good, coolant good, radiator good. Check alternator, everything went good. This and struck them went good. Not sure.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what you do for me? Just start the machine. Kick over the machine and see what happens.
Post ready, man. One kick and you ready, man.
Yeah, man.
I tell you, man, one kick and you ready, man.
Good, you know? Yeah. Brand new bitch, you know, again. Yeah, man. I'm say then time you can look for him anytime. That's the maker, I don't know.
What one?
That's all right timing, man. Hear that?
So good, you know good?
Man, I mean,
Yeah, man, so far,
Yeah,
man.
it's all
Bless
good.
up, man.
Man, I just
Don't sort you out, you know, man. I hear that, you know, man.
Good thing you want now is the engine wash and now you're good, you know, my father. You see it? Yeah, man.
Nice. I have to take care of the machine now, because only if I work him on the front.
Yeah, man. Like, when you work on the engine and the bag of oil,
So me straighten up your wheel. Come look, come straighten
yeah.
up your wheel.
Yeah.
like that.
Yo, you see wheel?
Yeah.
Wheel I want to give some trouble, you know, I straighten it. You see it, you want balance, so I balance it for you.
Yeah, man, the best thing coming out.
You can Lego your steering and all the good. You see me?
Yeah. Of course, that one good, man.
Yeah, man, you ready, man.
So you change the oil to the show?
Yeah, man, everything
Alright,
in change,
me like
man.
that, me like
Everything.
that.
I'll change.
Like that.
I'll check. You see me, but you want get some more coolant, see?
Yeah, man. That's
Yeah,
simple
yeah,
thing,
yeah.
that.
And the best one that I use, the green one. Don't use the red one. You see red coolant, you know, so good to make the engine wow. You understand? So I cool one, the green one, I better one. You see me?
Nice, nice,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah,
I like
yeah,
that,
yeah.
I like that.
I know I'll drop now, no. You see me?
How much are you now?
Yo, you know step on a big man level. I look for about 40, you know.
40.
Yeah, man.
No, man. I can't
No,
kill me
man.
this
No.
summer.
A whole heap of work, you know, man.
Talk about
A
general.
whole heap of work,
Take
you
a
know, man.
snap, right?
General,
Yeah.
you see we have straighten up the wheel for your change the oil,
35.
brother.
35.
No,
35
man.
no good, man.
Yeah, man. Me 30. Me
Alright.
30.
Alright,
Me
alright.
30. And I hear that. You see me?
38 good.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I hear we do engine wash. You hear?
So you can never watch
Clean.
it.
No, I know that. Yeah, man. We just fix up
You
the
have to-
engine.
you have to
Make
pay
sure
for
it's
that
everything.
different.
That different.
Big man, you have to
You
pay
see
for
me?
that. You don't test the car.
Yeah.
You don't test the car. Come go test the car, brother.
Close down the body.
So make the man go test the car, brother. Cause you are
So
in a
so
six
good.
man car and everything like go on.
So good.
Yeah, you know. When a machine a rock off the machine, I don't know.
I'm fine, yeah.
Man just go and hold it, my father, man. Here, anytime I do it, man, I just go link me here.
Hot, yo.
I say everything good.
Make sure say everything. No miss out of that car, you know. The left one sitting there, you know, nothing miss out of that car, you know. Sure.
Solid, man. Turn up, man. Turn up. One thing going on, man. Some good stuff, you know? Yeah.
Like them car, man. Well, I work on them a car, man. I say I like them, man. Them fast, your bomb part, virgin. Especially them on there, Win Road one them. And you know, you just take care of your car, my friend.
Yo, me general.
Yeah, me Jenna.
You know, somebody left on phone in that car, you don't see it?
Phone.
Yeah, man.
Oh man, look in there, man. Anything you left in there, you know. Anything you left in there.
But we don't see it, man. I'm sure you see it said it.
Look good, man.
But 2 minutes have time to turn back for it.
Nick, you see man left phone in the car?
Yo, you know, so me not see man left no phone, brother. Me even look in my man.
Yo, Sam, some in gloves come back, me don't see it.
He left phone in the car and...
Me don't see it in there, man. It in there.
General, me not go in a man car them place there, brother.
No, sir.
I work on
Yo,
the car.
Listen, man.
What you talk
Left your phone, but
Nick,
2 minutes have time. Come in, you say
Nick,
some in there really
sure, so you not take up no phone for a man car.
No,
left
car,
your
me
phone in
work
the
on
car,
me
Boss,
go in a
hear me
man
no,
car
man.
go take out phone, General.
Yo, me not blame you, know, but you know the man say missing phone like car, and you alone the work on the car,
Yo,
brother.
phone in the car,
me no want no problem.
Yo, General, me on a thief, brother.
Bossy.
Car me work on,
Bossy.
brother.
Oh, your phone in
Bossy.
the car, me tell you. A 2 phone me have,
Boss,
you
if
know.
you know, say yo, you no left no phone like car,
100%.
don't accuse
Listen
the man,
up.
car, brother.
Listen me now.
Hear me?
Brother, me no
Brother,
listen
lose
to
the
man,
work,
brother.
I want
lose
phone
a
to
car,
go with,
brother.
brother. And if you phone catch you, know,
See?
say yes, so me always
Bossy.
come.
Yo, call
So
the
just
phone,
left
brother.
in there.
Call the
Hear
phone,
me, I say,
brother.
my boss. You deal with it, see, but here we go on. You see
You
this,
left
I
the
know,
phone
we
like
can't
car,
bother with
two,
them
man.
problem, I know.
General, me no trouble
Easy,
man phone,
yeah,
brother.
Yo, move the line, move the line.
Brother, go hard me and work, brother.
My phone, I forgot to buy back in the
Bossy,
car. You see that
me
phone?
talk
Wait,
to the man.
listen me now. See that phone there? I'm a business phone. I'm going to want it back.
Bossy, tell you the honest truth. Me nah say, I know him take your phone, and he say, I know him. He man say not take no phone, bossy. You understand me? I
Him
say,
work on the car?
yes, he work on the car, but
Oh, the phone
he
can't
must say no
find.
him,
Brother,
but
me no trouble,
no phone.
brother.
Him say not thief, no phone, brother. Nick, you hear me, bossy?
Yo.
The man say missing phone, no bossy. See? And to be honest, I alone work on the car. See? And the man say missing phone, sir.
Bossy, me never
Yeah.
take no phone, bossy.
Bossy, me no know what else he saying about you. The man say taking phone.
So what you say? Me a thief then,
Boy,
General.
anything you say, you know, cause that the man say, no, my friend.
Yeah,
Anything you say.
You wanna?
See?
You see, to me know say me work on the car for you and square.
Yeah.
Yo, you wanna? Me go left your place.
Bossy.
Me go left
Anything
your
what you want to do,
Brother,
brother.
me go
Anything
left.
what you want to do, brother. Cause man say taking phone and
Brother,
that me
me
can't
go
buy
see
that
the
brother.
phone.
Brother, me go buy back your phone. If you not find your
I'm a
phone,
chip, but more
hear
I'm
me?
a chip.
No, but you must get back your chip. All they ask for your replacement chip.
Yo, the phone, phone have whole heap of information. I
Bossy.
don't want it
Oh,
back.
brother,
Boss,
you need to
man,
call the phone, brother.
Bossy,
Eh?
Bossy, remember you alone work on the car.
What do
See?
you mean?
And the man say missing phone. The man say phone went in the car,
Brother, me no
brother.
trouble no man
And the
phone,
phone
brother.
Then no say man say,
Eh?
brother, you alone work on the car park. So what me fi do? If the man say you thief him phone, you
Brother,
thief
me
man
a
phone.
call thief,
Brother,
brother.
you thief him man phone. What me fi say?
Me a call
And
thief.
you work on the car, you know?
Brother, me no trouble no man phone,
Brother,
brother.
anything what you want say, brother, but are you responsible man
Yo, you know
phone?
what? Me left your place.
Brother, anything what you want do, brother. Anything what you want say, brother. Can you take your man phone? The man say phone in a car. And if one phone can't find. Me a call, yo, me a try call the phone, daddy.
Yeah, man,
See
call
it?
it, come
Me a
here.
try call the phone, brother. See it?
Brother, call the
That
phone,
me talk
man,
about
come know, brother, I'm left phone
Yeah,
like
no,
that.
star, me a tell you,
Yeah, so me
me-
always
me-
come.
me-
So me do say, yo,
me-
my phone
me-
safe, yeah, so.
Yo.
I know me come on my phone, Mr. Brother.
Yo. Yo, brother, John, I see him when I lose a couple work and see me about Stephen business now, brother. See him. But wait. But wait, I want on there.
Yo, see, yo, take up your phone, see phone and I.
Oh, you tell me, say, you man thief your phone, brother, your phone in a car, my youth. Brother, you make me lose a good workers in my life. Brother, you hear me? Brother, you hear me? When you car, no things come and go right, brother, no, to make certain what one other, brother. You hear me? Make me lose a good workers, brother, my best workers. Yo, brother, you hear me? Best to take your car and go out from my place, brother. Just take your car and go out from my place, man.
You know, so me now come back in your shop.
Yeah, man, no come back, man. Me no need them to come back, brother. Hey, man, me lose a good workers, brother. Yo, you smell like I want to make me and the man do things right now, you know. You make me lose a good worker, brother.
Yo, have a nice day, man.
Same to you, brother. Leave me place, brother. When I see you get down, come back, brother. That me I try to tell you, brother. You make me lose a good workers right now. I know a man have me up, you know, brother. Yeah, no star. How me get back to Nick, man? I have to call back to Britain, you know, because yo, yeah, no star. He's a liar, you and the man come and tell life on the man, say, man, keep him phone, brother. Boy, I wonder if I can get back to Nick, you know. You know, so I'm not going to really call him back, you know. I don't call him. I see if he can cool down, brother. Tomorrow I call him and see if he can come mass some work for me, boy. John no star. Hard for me.
Yo, Nick, what free my youth? Where are they, bro, man? Hey, look, that's free my youth. Yo, me there, my father.
Man, you not like if you see a face screw and
Brother,
brother,
yo,
so
I
you
boss
stay, you know.
boy up, I walk this a go like he want style up man thing, brother.
What
Like
you
man
say?
a thief, brother.
God knows so much deal with the youth.
Yeah, like say me thief phone, brother, and then after they connect, yo, you know you.
T4, but you're richer than that and bigger than that. So I go on, they can't give me a 50,000. No,
Brother.
no 50,000, give me a 5 bills.
Brother, me no stay so right now, brother. Me just lose my work, brother.
Oh, you mean in the states of money? You always a give me no my youth.
Brother,
Especially me, you know. So one can't give me.
Brother, say one time me tell you say me can't give you,
My,
so you deal with me, brother.
My go on and say,
Yo,
brother.
so you deal with me,
My,
brother.
you have it, my youth. You have it. You can't tell me say no, you have it, bro.
Bad man, you can't deal with a friend.
Right now,
so,
I know your
brother.
pocket
One
full,
time,
my
brother.
youth.
Yo, you know
You,
what?
you see, I say when you have your, say always go on, brother. Is that
Brother,
right?
everything good, me
You know you have it, you know. You always a give me. Every day you give me. Me know, youth, everything alright, man. You go on.
You know, someone try to call the one Nick. I go call Nick, you know. Yeah, man, tell him say me sorry, cause man find all the phone.
Yeah, no star. Boy life as a journey, you know. Because me just pay off a loan star, and just ready to go start second down to make some money, man. Imagine, you man accuse me, virgin, and I can style me up as thief, virgin. How much bends me and the man work pan together, all the markets, the last markets I work pan, the man give you all extra money youth, and the man can style, man, virgin. Yo, God know youth. I see youth, Father God, now sleep, you know. That's why I'm in a plan to look sitting, you know, cause don't know say me is a hustler and me is a boy when I depend on boss, you know, youth. How this up? But yo.
Yo, Nick. Where you going, my general? Yo, you're not supposed to tell us say your man find the phone in our car, Dan.
After you can style up man, bad man, and accuse up man, brother, like man a thief, brother. Sorry. Right now, sorry I deal with.
Boss, yo, me I want a big piece of work for you, you know. Yeah, man, me get a vax if you deal with. Yo, me I give you everything. Me not take nothing off of this. Yo, me I give you everything. You can't come match up with me tomorrow.
Hear what me I say, me no want your work. You can keep your work. Stay with your work, brother. You see what me I say? Go and go look different man for work with here. Big man, I could have even $1 million. You see it? Yeah. I got on time. Here.
John, yo, a Sonic deal with me, dog. Man, hang up, dog. God no, dog.
Waste of time, man. I want to you, man. Man, can with the old work, brother. See, man. Right now, me all want all the drinks to drink, right now. Go to the road, go get one cool drinks to drink.
Don't have nothing now go on to sit down with my friend in my pass, you know. Can bring them a 100 or a 50. Can buy one 50 bag and piece of grabber. You know me, I tell you. So, give him that neither. My pocket fractured and I can't tell my friend in my pass, man, right now. I yesterday I see Marks him for your thing, you know. I ain't saying I have it, you know. But right now, a different day this. Nick! How go on, Nick?
Yo, I go on, brother, man, I got shop, you know, dog. Where you David?
Forward, you know.
What?
Free or free. Forward, my
Yo, me hear what you say still. Cause yo, depend more still in the dog.
This thing good.
They are all it, man. Where
You
you
know, so
depend?
I go and keep it low, do it. Why go and carry me a 250? Where you stay?
Brother, not really there now, you know, brother. Cause right now, already me get all fire in the dog.
What you say?
Yeah, dog, the boss boy, and they can style up, man, brother.
Use the work for you.
The school, man, you deaf or something, brother.
What different you doing up? You can't teach you how the street run the car and I street me there, no father.
Brother.
You can show you how the street are moving the car right now.
You
You can make you
know,
with
brother. You know, so me is a straight juvenile, you know. You saw me a deal.
You understand what I talk about,
me
me
no in a shade green, my brother.
I really think, man, listen, man, we don't do foolish at road, you know.
Oh,
Understand?
okay.
We're on the right part. So, what you know, man, I'm there in the street and I want to show you how the street run. Because I'm there out here.
Seeing?
Yeah. So, you see, I do.
Normal, me a normal, man. You have to tell me code and me see what I go on, man.
Go now, man, I watch you. What
Right now, me not work here now, my boy, so.
Understand,
anything
say
or
now,
anything,
okay,
you know.
now.
Well, anything that happens, I've got me, you know. You understand? Money have to make certain way. Cause you know what kind of hustling you have so in the street, brother? Yo, a bag me grab and pickpocket. You know, they grab bag and run. Sure, no, so that them work the other brother. Well, them work their easy work in a regular. Me grab some bag in a brother, full of money in it, you know. Sometimes I grab some chain, brother. Big, we can't carry 2 jewelry, I go sell it, brother. In real life. Brother, look for me good. Me need with a laugh, brother. Man, sometimes you have to make some bad things, make you, bro. Yo, brother. You have to calm down, bro. You know what things set my youth. Brother, I'm a granny, me grow it, brother. I go to church every Sunday, daddy. I want man. Me not grow, so, brother. I want to man. Me understand saying no grow, so still in the boat. Brother, for you look for me good, as sister, me on a thief, brother. Yo, me no want them to hurt the brother. Yo, you have to give me some different
Hear me, I say now. Them boy, they big house on the side there, you know. Run on the scheme there, you know.
Let you tell me about that, brother.
You can't go fill some bucket.
Honest, brother. You saw me I deal with.
So, all I said, I should mean way.
Yo, bad man, why you do with me phone? Yo, bad man, why you do with me phone, brother?
You see, take you not even know.
Brother, you're a thief, brother. Me turn up your son, you're a thief, my phone, daddy. Yo, brother, you know, see, avoid me for really avoid.
No, man. Avoid what? I mean, your best friend.
I call me from your guys shop to pick my phone, brother. As a nigga.
No, I'm not pick your phone, man. You show me, I show you street run, brother. You show me, I show you. So, see, when you talk with somebody, that you have to do. This cocky, man.
Yo, I'm not trust you, no dog.
Can't see about that, man.
Where you say, boy, brother?
Where you say? Yeah, where I do? Where say? Where you say?
Hello, good afternoon. You don't know anywhere around here renting? Somebody tell me Rosalie Lane.
You know somewhere.
But me can't find the place.
Yeah, man, you know, so me know where my friend,
Yeah,
man.
thank God.
Me usually work around a mechanic place around there, so I pass it every morning, man. You just go up Rose Street, that's so. And when you go up, yeah, that street right, that's so. And you see when you go up the lane, you take your first left. So I say, yeah, it's second house on the right, you can't miss.
What color house? Second house. Yeah, me can't miss it. Me no
Oh! No man, one big gate there, man. You can't last, man.
Wait, he said.
Run, man, you don't know what me talk, man.
Oh!
Yeah, man.
The same.
You know how it.
Yeah, man, me can't.
Alright.
Come on, man.
I don't really know a place to know. Not
Yeah, tell you, alright, there's man.
I'm gonna grow and tell him, say, you two in a work around and
Can't last, man.
Say, now, here.
Round the corner, go round the corner, go round the corner, and you reach.
You not follow me. You not follow me.
Yeah, we follow you, man.
No, I don't feel the vibes to walk up beside you know.
My youth, come on, no, my youth, make you follow her in a party.
Brother, I don't follow her go beside you
Watch
know.
you, man, my youth, come on in a party.
I tell you, I don't go beside my youth. I go what's going on.
Yo, brother, just come on in a party, right up, that's how we go, brother.
Man, you can't last, man.
Brother,
Just walk
right
on, so no, you're not last, no. Go in the corner and go in the corner and
brother, see you go on,
Go
brother.
up and then turn right and the second.
Yeah, you can't
Yeah,
last.
man, you can't last it, show, man.
Alright,
Can't believe my youth.
What's that?
Yo, so you move party.
Mike, come on, man. Make she go on, man.
Nice girl,
She
party.
can't last. She gets nice, yes, but she can't last.
Girl to talk, my youth. Yo, party.
No, get a talk. Yo,
Yo, God know bad, man.
yo, we get you know.
How about that?
My money.
Where you get that from?
You don't know something.
My youth, give me this.
Hello.
No. Hello. My girl. My youth, I'm gonna deal with the girl, party. Brother, ID can't. No, brother, calm down. Brother, easy, no, man.
Yo, come search.
Brother, you can't do it, brother.
Come
Yo,
search.
can't be put. Brother, no, brother. She can't have her important things in there, brother. That's cool, no, man. Hello. Oh, I see you.
Wonder if I can find a place you do.
Hello.
Can't believe yesterday, man, you treat woman down here.
Hold on there, my friend. Hold on there.
How could that ever happen now?
Search your bag if I miss nothing out there.
My bag?
Yeah, search your bag.
Buddy,
You know this?
my purse.
Oh, God, man. You see that little book? I don't mean, my friend. Oh, God, man. I defend a thing, man. I'm a virgin thief, man. See you shut down the man. Why search it? Boy, when you want to search it, you not going there still. That's why boy name want follow you, you know.
Cheese and
Oh
peas.
God, hey my friend, me not tell no lie, you ain't not
Look
good
how
hands
far
now,
me
man.
come. They look work and so, boy.
Don't worry yourself.
Thanks, here, me can't believe
Yeah,
say,
man.
boy, are some people stay.
Oh God, man, no problem, man. Me say you,
I
me
mean,
even
last
know.
money that you know me appreciate
Don't
you.
worry yourself, man. I
Cause
see
not
it.
everybody stay so. Hey, look at dirty boy.
Don't listen, man. Boy, me I tell you, me never see when him do it, you know. I
God, you
go,
know
me
say
and him a
last
go.
money me have to pay the woman for the place.
Eh?
The last money me have.
Hey, my friend, me see I go, me and him a go now. When go up on the road now. Me see him and I show me. Me I say, no, sir. Me have to come back and show you. Me I say, God, no depend wine depend, you know. Me is a good youth, you know. So me I say,
But me not even sure if me want live in a them place, yeah.
or else no make him change your mind. Cause the place nice. So me I say,
Yeah, once you have grill on them something.
yeah, man, no worry yourself, man.
Yeah.
So you don't know, you know. We go in our place, so
Alright,
probably
yeah.
we buck up
Yeah,
again.
take
Yeah?
care. Me see you
Alright.
again. Me
Yeah, man, next
appreciate
time,
you.
man.
Alright.
She know look bad, you know. The teeth in boy brown man want come mash up the liquor style, man. You can see a nice girl like that, I look direction and you know help her. Brother, you know no sense. Brother, you can't go on so, brother. You, nah learn. You know the best thing. Yo, I'm here, brother. That's cool,
Yo,
man.
you see the best thing you do? You go on where you going, I don't want your foot in, brother.
Yo, you can't
Yo,
thief from
yo,
man,
go
brother.
on where you go, brother.
You can't thief from
Brother,
man,
go
brother.
on where you go, bro. I don't want your foot, brother.
Brother, so you move, brother.
Me try to teach you rope code, but you not learn. Go on.
Brother.
Lift up.
So how you want me to? A thief you want
Brother,
me
I say
to?
lift up, brother. I don't need argument.
Yeah,
Just
me go
lift
lift
up and
up,
go
me
on,
go
man.
go shop,
Go
brother,
on, man. Go
cause
on. You not learn, brother.
if
I don't
you
want
your
your
street
foot.
code, if your street code now go carry me
Brother,
far, you
better
know.
go on, brother. That's me I tell you.
I watch you know, you see for your friendship,
Man, go on, bro.
a 1 day and 2 minute friendship, man. Cause me not turn no thief in a youth. Cause you want, that you want me to.
Go on, where you go? You're talking with me. Where's my sting on the street? I want to call you, man, come get called up, boy. Go on. I'm telling you, lift up. Boy, man. No, you know, man. No.
Hello? Hello, anybody home? I wonder if I right place me there. Let me see. Second host. Hello? But me not see nobody.
And I drink, sir.
But it's a place here, this a house here, nice. Yeah. But them a kind of place that I want to live. Set up my life and all of them things there. Yeah. Hello? Sir. One moment. You know who live up here, so here's room I rent over here.
Where you come from?
I'm gonna be me come from.
Where you come from?
Yeah. And me get work down
You
here.
get work. Which part?
Yeah.
Which part?
In that town, man.
Night town.
Yeah.
Alright, at my place. But you see, if you not work, I want permanent job, I guess.
Yeah, me I work, man, and I have my money, everything, so I tell about the room and come to see place and see the deal. And my life for my sister far.
Alright,
Yeah.
I just want to know, say, you don't know. You know them people that come in and then after them pay 1 month and then can't pay
No,
next.
no, me is a hairdresser.
That you guess, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Come and show you what I want. If you're interested, you know.
Yeah, me interested already.
Interested already? Alright.
Yeah.
What you say, B? Can't take off this off of my head you know, done.
Take off what for your head. Not take off here. Make me look funny.
You must done you know and already.
You're just anxious so.
Sure, that's cool.
And
no,
everything
man.
you want, you know.
Can't bother with you, you know.
Backside.
What?
Watch me blondie.
What kind of blondie business you talk? But yo, not bother.
Looking at me if you think I joke me, I mean.
Yo, me don't school.
He blonde, straight blonde, he ready, he come out good.
I say bad though.
Yes, he look good.
Nah, yo.
How much girl I call her for you on the road
bother
now?
with that. No girl can look for me. I only love her.
Me not put on a black body now.
Bother with that, be. You know, say I love her, my heart, you know.
You just make sure.
How school?
Nah, me nigga over there. Yo!
You don't know that device there? Are your friend where's the coach?
Oh! Yo, General.
Where are David?
Yeah, man. Walk along.
I follow him, I call you and I see.
Yeah, forward, man. Walk along.
I rule, see my telephone come on for.
Yeah, forward, them General. Nick, man, I could give him a link.
I saw you, I'm always gone.
I'm a virgin, man. I don't know where you go already.
So I can't come behind you.
What, man?
Where you left me so far? So every time you hear a virgin,
Come back.
I thought me can't hear. It's alright.
No one to him. So come back. Sure.
Nobody walk far or go far or something, you know? I read this say I go. I mean, just a reason you're gone now.
I come big. I soon come.
Man, in the house, I do man call Sonat.
Daddy!
Yo, I'm there in a cuz. Why you did, my friend?
I want me to see you out.
There, man.
Walk along, can you walk on in the sickness?
No, say me, yeah, no, say me lose you up, my dog.
Yeah, that's it, sir.
Yeah, man, right now, brother, you know I'm stay from me, I grow, brother. You know, say me not thief, brother. You man accuse me and I can't style me, up,
No,
brother.
you're not going to do that. What
Yeah.
kind of...
A man give you one piece of work, brother, and I don't know when man go do it in phone, you know, brother. You know if a girl bush in gone, you know, or cow bush or wine, you know.
Look how you they push out early, they go on the work, man. I tell look like you they love the liquor work there, you know.
Man can't find the phone and I go tell me, you know, say, yo, me fi find phone. And me a thief. And just a style. Brother, I left off fight, brother.
What you mean? Cause you know, say I know you.
Yeah, man, I'm there yard, man, and I go and walk out. I feel hot and come get one drink. So see it.
Okay.
So, yo, all things.
Why, you know, say me there, mom's just die out all year for me and them thing there.
That, me see.
There, me there all and easy and a bill back, you know. Nah, lie, I'm a virgin.
So, yo, big man thing. Oh, woman no here.
What?
I'm not here good. I'm not here, no. One no work, next one we work.
You know, say me not too beg people money still in the BMG, but you know, say, yo, me want really balance out that thing. You can't give me a little thing, my friend, till reach back on foot.
You know, say, me not lie, me not have a money right now, but a little thing I line up, I could give, yo, check me tomorrow. Check me tomorrow.
See?
Big man thing.
Yeah, man, me can link you, man, because I don't know, you know.
You see me, you're a good boy, you know, I know how you feel, say, yo, you understand?
Yo, you know,
So,
if I make moms know.
what do you have for me, how you think that, me general? What do you, man?
Yes,
Simple, man.
tomorrow.
Just link me tomorrow.
Alright.
Go for it.
Hey,
Yes, honey, me there wait for you.
so hold on, you're not going to work today.
Of course, I want to go to work. We were talking before, right? And you left me in here, so I was waiting on you.
Remember, I need to go by the post office to collect that little package today, you know, so, you understand?
I understand. But you don't have any money.
You don't really have no money now, B.
Me understand. But make sure you see you don't have no money to give nobody, you know.
No, B. What you talking about?
I remember say we have a house for finish.
That's a priority. We need to do that. You understand me?
So you promise money.
Oh, you know that.
I glimpsey.
You're not easy, you know. Just one thing with it, you're not easy at all.
Me hear you promise a friend money.
No, nothing no go so. I'm a virgin, you know, you always come check me. I not promise no money. Remember, say for me, you think have to deal with B. We have to work on the house and other plans that we have in store.
Make sure see you know that and put that first.
And you come first in my life all the while. No bother with this stupidness.
It's me have my head pan body well screw and so I'm
That
to
me love
feel.
for you. If me tell you, say me never have you in my life, me don't know what would I do be.
I used to say we can move on further, so I cannot just do that.
I'm married, me go married and done, you stand there.
I tell you one time me down.
No, ring more and put my...
Me no want wrapped up tied up and tangled up with you so much. I'd
What's
rather
the
do it
phone?
with God.
I ring, I want to put my hand, you say, look, hug me up before you go.
Oh.
Sure. The girl nice, just look, watch. Oh,
Come, let's see me off now.
Not that me.
Yeah, well, but you can't just stop them a little bit. You just have to wait so.
I have to go down at the post office.
Alright, just but let's say you can't see me off still. Well, me I go buy shop but you have one.
Alright.
See me and no clients make no money.
Do that. No, you make money. Go on.
Alright, later
You
yeah,
know
I
you're
want
lucky.
good. Me no want nothing. Just make sure you see your kids. Later
Alright.
yeah.
Later, yeah.
Alright, later baby. Well, God give health and strength so everything should work out. How the new worker not come yet? She name Nikki. But she not reach yet. She's supposed to reach here already, you know. She's taking too long. She don't have places to go, people to see and business to take care of otherwise from this.
Morning, Miss Fallon.
Morning, Nikki.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you very much. Don't call me no Miss Fallon. You can call me Fallon.
Alright, Fallon.
Okay, and this is the station you're going. This is the station you're going to rent
Yes.
to. You like it? It's okay
I love
for
it,
you.
I love it. And I'm
Okay.
ready to start.
You can. I like people like you.
Mhm.
Yes, you're ready and prompt. That is it. Bold also.
Thank you very much. The place nice, man. The
Well,
customer them
well-
go love it, you know, cause me have one and two customer when me cousin tell me about that something. So them go love it. Me love the shop and everything.
Alright, that would be fine. Long as the money is coming in, I'm okay, you know.
Yes. So how much you say?
Well, I'll roughly 25,000. 25.
Okay.
Cover everything.
25,000.
Water, light. You don't have to worry yourself. You don't worry about paying your own light bill, your own water bill. Everything is covered.
Covered. Okay, good. Cause a 50 grand me carry now. Cause
Wow.
I'm ready for
You're
work.
paying in the back.
Yes, I'm never sure how much. So me just, you know.
That is very nice of you.
Mhm.
Not everybody's considerate as you know.
Thank you very much, Miss Fallon. Sit here.
Yeah, you're considerate. So you just can wrap it up and give it to me. Not true.
Mhm.
Put it in my pocket. So, I'm not gonna stay here with you, you know.
Yes, I'm
Guys.
gonna get settled in.
Yes, and then I'll be close by if you need me, and if you need
Yeah,
customers come for the nails, you know, you can just call me.
Or
I'll
me
be
tell them
here.
to call you.
Yes, I can give them a number if you're working and
Okay.
you don't want to. You know.
Alright.
Right, I see you, okay?
Yes,
You make
alright,
yourself
take
at home.
care.
As I say, estás en tu casa.
Sure.
Make yourself
yeah,
at
man,
home.
you treat the place like a my one little
Okay.
shop.
You're
Yeah.
okay, man. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome to stay as long as you want.
Alright,
Okay.
later.
Alright.
Oh, I'm glad me get that little work here. Cause this a little dirty, nasty boy could have put it on palm me. Sure. God good enough? God good. First me get the apartment and this just run smoothly. I just have to do what me have to do and get some customer in and pay what me need for pay. Yeah, cause we did need a little fresh start here. Why oh boy. Customer or if I come. Bobby, not seeing me back. Sorry.
Yo! Nick! Yo! Wagwan! Wow!
Concrete man put in a yard right now, my boy. Me there level off some stuff in a yard, my friend.
It's a concrete.
Hey, man.
Daddy!
Why me there, man? How things?
What's your little calling to daddy?
Boy, let's see a piece of food go give me a no.
Who juice my and go down my bar, go have a drink and all that for son. I don't talk about it.
Yeah,
I think come down already, man.
The juice thing, I don't know if my thing come along, you know, my friend.
So how do you do that now?
Nah, I'm all free, man.
So my boy want to go all of us, man. You don't know how to go already. Let's find out.
Brother, so yo, you know, give me a thing, see me.
Yes, me go get a thing, my general, man.
Can't bother done off everything a bar, no, cuz.
Oh, man, how you talk about me G, man? Yo, look at.
Boom?
Can't done.
How you get so much money, dog?
It can't done that, boy.
I feel our fight, no, man.
Feel it. Heavy.
Yo, give me for me
Oh,
out.
yeah,
Yo, give me for me out that me left before we got
Can't
bar,
bust
brother.
the Kyle, that's what daddy want. Bust the Kyle in that bar.
Yo.
Body, I look. That me I tell you.
Hold on,
Nobody can rap with you, know.
No, let me do that, brother.
Yo, forward there, man. Watch it.
Foolishness, you know, brother, cause right now, man, broke and papa
Man,
rising.
play thing, dog. How
Which
do you
bar you
know,
go? Which bar you go?
Right now, any bar we are go right now. Pull up.
Man, come in, dog.
Black knuckle.
Broke in a dog.
Yeah.
Glad how you come in, dog. I swear, brother.
No, me say a niceness here.
God know you. God know you, my friend. Right now, I would want to buy all the clocks in a dog.
Yeah, there.
And you see clocks from me have a kind of the rub down, you know. Yeah, dog. God send you, brother.
Yo, no worry about it, no. Yo, you see next one, everything go good. We just go drink some
Yeah,
juice
man.
and all.
Brother, I don't mind, brother.
What up, man?
You better make sure he reach already, you know. How you finna there? Which party you fi there? I beg say one of them bar there in there. Same thing when me want him out, same thing he ain't gonna do. Me a look for him today and me have to find him. Me have to... Every time me want him in there, same thing he out. Everything does a drop out so. And me feel so paranoid right now, you know. Me have to find him and he have to give me money tonight and dollar when I take the bar him have to find me back. I bet you a drinking and drink out the money with his friend them. Nothing more than that and nobody can tell me say another thing gonna do and me have to buck him up one of them bar there.
So Browning, tell me something. What make you when they go on Saturday night at party? You drunk, you did drunk?
You feel too nice, man. God know. Party did active.
Mama, you the all on your head. Everybody turn up the day. They look me have to say no, so I can't be friend this.
You look, you never see when me flick.
And you know when you start going, so when me tell you say me they go to bathroom and come back. And when me come back from bathroom, you know, me can see one big circle. And me I say no, so then I went Browning there.
Me love excitement,
When me look
you know.
at you on your head top in the circle, be a money and dash out. You know, say you shake up, you not even buy me a juice out
Oh
and
God,
what you
man,
make.
me soon buy your juice, man.
Yeah.
Don't worry yourself. Remember your man.
And then me come here, come buy your
Me
juice.
say remember your man, no make it thing look so, bro.
Me not fi make it look so, me like how you end
You know
up
you have me
with
done,
this
man.
thing.
Me I go deal
And
with you.
you see them people, yeah, me feel say them when fi give you sitting in because you see
God
them
no.
dancer girl, they what they have,
They
then
never
they
ready.
go on with
They
nothing.
never ready.
Yeah, and you make the
God
party
no.
shut up, me say man spend like nothing. What you see back me see the grown
Me
girl.
I tell you, say me high out.
Hold on, man. Thing good, yo. Tell her, man. Right, I know I'm no genius. Everything more of nice, you know, daddy.
Browning, you know say one at a time me dey go fi go left you know.
Me not like that road.
Because me nearly feel shame. Me nearly feel shame for my boss.
Bartender, one. Pretty girl.
Good night. Yeah, man, there you are. Go all the vibes,
Yeah,
my
friend, I saw
friend.
them girl, you glow like them, a bliss like diamond and pearl.
Someone
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, line up something for it.
Give me half flask, my boss will play cast.
Yo, where I talk about our flask? Come like you don't know say thing. How do you remember say birthday in a Browning?
Oh, sorry,
Full up
my
the
general.
thing.
Sorry, my
I don't
general.
know how we do it. Yo,
On the
okay.
sound,
No, my boss.
on the
Sorry.
sound active door.
How do you
I
man?
don't know anything going on my
Think
father.
up and running, man. How do you talk about man?
On the sound active in the
Hello,
night,
you're just in
man.
your phone,
It's
so
very active.
Hello. Hi,
You're
hello.
supposed to. I
Good
keep me
evening.
occupied, I'm a
How do
friend.
you
You're
man? Come on, I
not doing
cup
bad
them.
at all, you know.
We two I cup
Just a
them and
close
we get
up.
some vibes.
Eh?
I'm supposed to go. I'm a young green girl.
Yeah.
God, me like the dark and lovely.
I
Hey,
don't
me like
know.
the bold, you know.
Yo, I'm
I
a
look
drink
beautiful.
Your friend say you have to have a drink.
Okay, man, everything good, man. Me like you still, you know.
Yeah.
So,
I like the place, bro.
You like
That's
me?
why I come round
So
all the
what pay
while.
for
man.
it?
Yeah, man, you can come again.
I want to pay for
You
your
know my
room.
style, you know. No worry
Me
about
just
that.
ask you, me can't
friend
ask you
pay
a
for
question.
you.
Your friend a pay for you?
Yeah, man.
Well, you don't have a chance right here, so you don't stand a chance because
Can't
you
bother
marching,
no,
And you know, come order rum. You they come give me sweet chat and then your friend pay for rum.
You up a
You
bar
lucky.
front.
And me pay for
Every
this.
man come a bar
And
and
me
beg them.
pay for this. You're lucky. You not come here and see no man. Your uncle can't see me and my friend. You must know if man when they here.
Alright, calm down, man. Calm down.
Brownie named Brighty. And not even him a spend, but him a come in and come give me argument.
Man broke my vibes.
Him can't see two man in here. Him come in here with a man friend, you know, and his friend a buy him liquor. No come talk, boy.
Brick, my friend, watch out, watch out. Come on. See, come on.
See, me call the man from throw away.
Hold money. Hey, Brownie, beg your next cup there. Seal the thing, see.
Money, Claudia. Don't worry about
Watch that,
See, me
man.
call the man cup a things throw away.
Yeah, everything.
Brownie, come here, Brownie.
So like they're active still.
Brownie, no, I'm on that.
Let your peace sign. Don't worry about it. Let me sign up, King. I'm worried about myself.
Brownie, me trust you now. Me trust you now, Brownie. Oh, okay.
Say, yeah, I'm a general in a man.
I'm going to tell us everything go alright.
We can have your wife's purpose. God know make you send me for
I'm
us.
going to put me on a link. That me I tell her.
I want you open. Ina.
No.
Which one thing could I get then?
You got them.
We don't know who me I look for.
Yeah.
And the man me I look for, you know.
You got
No
them.
boy, I mean, I see no man I say no.
You see one man coming out with the ear, out and the car.
I'm going what he move.
You just come in as a gun.
Move, gone.
And she couldn't want to want to stay so we don't know. But a one man me I look for me after time till them me must go on next but later for you. Later for you know.
Go film, mama.
Yeah.
Go film.
Me must hear one, me have to find you.
Hello. Oh, go on.
Hello.
You?
Yeah, man. What you want to do today?
So when is female you are there?
I'm a new worker now.
She not there?
No.
Oh.
So what you want to do?
You know, some more I'm here if you need up. You know,
Yeah,
the
man, me
style.
versatile like that.
Versatile.
Yeah, we fix it up.
Yeah,
When
man.
we don't fix it up,
Make sure I like it, you know.
you find a
You
wife.
like it, we go. Eh?
When we don't
Yeah,
fix
yeah.
it up, you find a wife.
You're more sweetie.
Yeah.
Easy.
When we done with you, go sweet.
Eh? Yes, eh. Hey, you're not easy, you know. So what's your name?
Nikki.
Nikki.
Yeah. Nikki, my name.
So, Nikki go to school.
Right there, so.
Right, that's so. Ah, boy, I tell
And
you.
you have nice hair now?
You know, some have nice here. But you may not take care at that time, you know, man, stay.
Don't worry yourself, me will help you.
You will help me.
I'm very reasonable.
Okay. So, for girl now come back for today?
I'm not sure. She
Oh.
stepped out. I'm gonna call her shortly.
Oh. But next time I come, you see her. You don't think come down here.
Yeah.
No one joke with him, you know. Nikki, you don't see my boy come here?
No, girl.
You don't see him pass come here?
No, sir.
He change the hairstyle to you, so maybe he pass him to see him, you know.
Well, maybe, but me no see.
He hair blonde out.
Me no see no blind ears money pass here.
Nikki, I had a powder house with me and
How
him, you
what
know.
happened to you anymore?
He say me go collect one money, me say me a go work. Eh? Me could be sorry, me not go back, me not gonna go work, me a go home. Go back home and say he good enough to reach home already, right? And me go back home, he's not there.
So you me a walk along?
A rum bar, me saying down with the money, I saw some man tan.
So
When
you
you
walk
get money,
along?
go flash with it.
I me walk along for?
Yes, in me I look. Nikki, me head hot. Nikki, give me something to drink.
Alright. Where you want? Where you want?
Me not give me one sit up, Nikki.
Yeah, where you want me to drink?
Give me one shot of Kingston,
Alright.
please. Put some boom on it.
Alright. You want to on it or you want 2 minutes?
Nikki, do how I feel right now.
Yeah, take 2 minutes. Alright. No problem. No problem. Here you go.
Nikki, if he mean with the money too, you know. He go like he want hide it from me, you know.
So where you going to go?
And yet still in front of me face, he say it's all mine.
Wow. So where you going to do? You need ice?
No, I want it well hot and head hot.
Alright, see there.
Me not have to let him find him, you know.
That's good.
Keep me pay you, yeah.
Alright.
Nikki, me not Nikki.
Yeah.
They can't find me go look for him.
When me lock up the shop, you can't come here now.
Nikki, yes.
When me lock up the shop, you come, Falan.
You not come nowhere.
Now, just go on, man. We come and see it, me see you later.
Let me drink off this and go on.
As so fast as I drink from Falan.
Nikki, me want to catch him fast.
Yeah, what's it all left?
Take your tip, yeah. To me feel right now, and a bag of money he must spend.
Alright, thank you very much.
Nikki,
Later we catch up with you, yeah?
fly high, fly low. Me have to catch him.
Well, we shall the best.
He color way up. He look like he right.
Oh.
I'm gonna turn him back green.
No, you're right. Put him for that. Oh my God. Someone on my own tonight.
One thing I like to deal with the thing fast, you know?
Yeah man, this a hairstyle name tech where the girl them.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's a hairstyle name tech where the
Tell
girl
us
them. love.
you're more sweet, you know? Stop it,
Are
man,
you
stop
that?
it. Yeah.
Nice and clean right this one.
Sweet, yeah?
Thank you very
Alright.
much.
Well, maybe we come back and see you again, yeah?
Sure, I'll be here. I'll be here.
Alright.
Call Miss Fallon now. Well, today did good. I'm so excited. Negril, here I come. Next thing, our man me go want and buy a car too. Call her. And my new boss just nice, so just trust me in our place. I'm not gonna disappoint her. Crazy. Hi, Miss Fallon. Me finish. Yes, I'm finished. Sorry, Fallon. Yes. I'm finished now. Are you coming back to the shop?
No, I don't think I'm gonna make it back here. Just close it and keep it here until tomorrow.
All right, Fallon. See you tomorrow. Yes, man, I will. All right.
You take care.
Yes, you too. Why? First day I'ma get key? Mama lock up. I saw. Yeah, new supervisor, my love. Yeah, right there, so. Yes, clean and nice. Don't forget something to eat. I'm going to nice clean apartments. Them can't hold me. Right? My aunt.
John, no, you. This is the boy named Punk out. He look rap boy up today, but my mom dear say, you know. She look a piece of food night there, you know. John, I'm down there in my yard, you know, you consume something, you know. Yo, go eat that boy there, yo. I can't believe I really do that. Yo, I want to sit night, I'm thirsty. Swear. But do me a big sense of night, step on the ground and go and want something. White collar bite me. Morning, white collar bite me. Hello.
go
piece
on
of
and
food,
him the
brother.
buy rum. Suppose I went
Yeah,
in
babe.
buy.
Excuse me.
Alright, man.
You're in a bar from morning, eh?
How you know say me down
I
here
mean,
from
man,
morning?
from see you sit down, me know say you every man come here want to take
And you
sit
dey
down.
follow
talk to
back.
me
You
friend
dey
like that.
follow back of your friends from morning.
Bartender, hey, you see two on you come like on a bench and batty.
No man, but you come to give me a support. You just give me a support. You're not this my friend, bro.
Brother,
I drink where I drink and up it up.
Running him can't this because him not money I spend. I'm friend for you talk to me because I'm friend of the door.
Baby, everything good, man. How are you,
Everything
man?
supposed to go. And you for you talk to
Pick
me.
up yourself, man.
Thing, yo, me general, remember say you
Yeah, we are the owners.
spend out the whole life, man. That girl, let me know go beside
I tell you in a life, I say in a life, if you don't have no money, you don't say nothing.
I'm not really money now, just a rap.
Tell me and tell you, we all have to live tough. Sometimes we have to just do every way to make our money.
Ear, you know, me
Yeah,
general.
rub tongue, you know.
Yo, me a ear, my boss, but yo, God knows star.
Come
Yo,
on, chase up on him, man.
The alright, man, the alright.
short, you
Man,
know.
I saw them, man, I put it from their head hot.
If you have money,
You know some lucky this a time, yeah.
Lord have mercy.
I really me not hesitate. You know,
Small drink. This is a small drink.
Give me your phone if you have video. Because if you Me tell him say me do come back. One man said don't bother go walk. Go back to one and tell me say I pick up one money and he say I take long. I want me go on money, me not see him.
What your friend? Yo, what your friend?
Brownie don't make them mash up the place. Don't let me care. Don't let me friend. Take up the rest of the room. Come here, drink the rest of it. Yo, give me the rest of the money when you're back.
Yo, remember, give me a piece of food in the
Hey.
Yo, brother.
You know how to get push them out of your place. Push them out. Me not let put out me man. Push them out. Me not let put out me man.
You can't take a problem in my place.
Yo.
You get push them out. You not let the man beat me. You can't have no problem. Brownie, me get everything live from me camera. Go and post them for you. Give me wrong one left in there. Give me. No wrong one left in there. Hey, girl. You with them on now.
No, free money now.
On the left from my friend's place, with the excitement. Bring it on, y'all.
No, kill him, no,
Put my money, you don't have no much shit, you don't have nothing on you. And money you are defending the place. You know, money you are defending the place.
Me have it. Me not left
it out, give me.
Me say, give me brick down. Me can't talk to you now.
Give me, give me.
Hold on, baby. Let me talk to you now. Calm down.
Me a lose breath.
Come, let me talk to
Give me,
you.
make your breath come back.
Have the money.
Oh, God.
Sit down, man.
Give me.
Give me Come man, I give you money, whole line money.
Come on now. Come on.
Brother, I give you money, whole line money, and you promise me piece of food, brother.
Come on.
Before you help you,
Yo, you know, say man promise me piece of food, that's why me follow man come my bar, you know. You know. Yo, my youth, the man should have give me money in a virgin and now you want to take away money in a start. Yo.
before you help your friend out there, cuss over a man.
Hey,
You know what kind of friend you know?
I want a piece of drama then come down in
God no man.
Come on your yard, man.
Go on in your yard.
You come and
Boy,
pick
you
the
still
shop
live
here,
with
that
man
come
money.
Yo, come in the dog. Yo. Come like a idiot to come back, make you man gone with the whole line money, bad man. I want to this man a virgin.
That's only killing man.
Hey, you see, I don't know. You can't go on in here. Have a nice night, you know, cause right now, you see all him, I want you man hold him and broke him up to see you. Time man fool with your bum.
Cuss over a man money.
Come here, there, the reason. Good. I saw this, them, you know.
Yeah, me don't like what they do.
Somebody else is some customer come on your feet, say you make a piece of money. I lose focus. Like how them alone, your business locked down.
Locked down, brother.
Some poor police when they pass a while ago.
But we don't know what kind of style this they coming here with.
Hey,
Big old fight.
And
Me tell them go on out the door and they know and go out the door that they come to wreck me
You like that the girl that she beat at the man the alley right now?
After that, take one
You say
more
go
man.
dig him out.
This you easy.
Mistake.
Money.
You see? I say, me I come a bar every day.
Say, I love it when it's squeeze.
Yeah, look here, I make sure say you see like how them tip you the night, you know, give me no time.
Yeah, man.
And me I go continue.
No, man. Okay.
Tree wet, no keep it, no pour then come back when me done drink and so we count here and so. Alright.
Brother, how you, man?
Yo, tapping it.
How you? Brother, how you, man?
Boy, hush up, brother. It's a hush up,
Brother,
boy.
yo, better look at 9 to 5.
Hush up, boy. It's a hush up, tapping it. Oh, yeah. Yo, give me some.
Brother, 9 to 5, you can't go look at 9 to 5, you know, man.
Boy, tapping it.
Brother.
Boy, shot you. Boy, if I look at me, kill you. That's not the money for you, though. Bro.
Yo, just go on, yo, brother, yo, just give me more and go on, brother.
If I look, boy, if I look, I'm shoot you.
Them a young boy nowadays, you know, want to look no work, you know, man. All him have to do is look at 9 to 5, and if he come to me and ask me for your money, me give him, you know. Yo. Tell you. The boy don't want to work nowadays, that with them, brother. Some don't like them. Because they don't want to work. Don't go look at work there, brother. Come on, go with all my phone, man.
Alright, you done welcome to the end of the movie. A lot more in store to find out, to know, to be revealed. You understand? So just stay tuned, make sure to subscribe, look out for part 2. Yeah.